నమస్కారం మీ పేరేంటండి
I am Nutan Kumar, Mr. Nutan Kumar.
ఓకే
I am the social service mover here, in charge and package holder,
ఓకే
some of the constructor.
ఓకే since how long you are working here
4 years.
last 4 years you are here
Yes.
any developments made by the municipal corporation here
They are not taking any interest upon about this development of this burial ground.
okay
This is Smashan Ghat, Mandavya.
okay
Boring is not working here.
okay
It is not. They are not caretaking.
okay
Focus lights are there. In night cases, in night times, for emergency cases, we are not able to we are not able to serve that this problem. Tube lights are not there for linely.
okay
The poles are not proper.
okay
Uh,
how about the road
it is better to municipality government should take care to construct a cement road or damper road.
okay
Site works should be action.
okay what are the basic problems here the people are those who are coming here they are facing the problem here at the time of cremation of the noble demise body and a wood stall is here
Proper knot stands are there in chimneys
Okay.
for to arrange all woods in a proper way.
okay
Recently, one Marwadi has came here.
okay
He has already the proposal had made power sanction and supporters rods they are going to fix.
okay
We are waiting for the rods.
okay so one more thing you can submit to the government what are the basic needs here is a suitable bathroom showers for here the municipal corporation has already claimed that they are maintaining the bathroom showers bathrooms and open showers for the male and female there in the burial ground is there any bathrooms are there in the burial ground
Here there are no specially bathrooms
okay
and for ladies and gents.
Hmm.
Outside under that Hanuman temple near opposite to Hanuman temple
okay
they have arranged already.
Okay.
But we have to take at everything interest they have to take.
who is maintaining
They have to improve the taps.
okay the taps
Yes, they have to provide steel taps
okay
and hot water machine
okay
like Saudi and Hyderabad.
okay so regarding the development of this graveyard existing graveyard how many people have visited here recently you said that the BJP party has staged the dharna here
TV9,
Okay.
all cables have came here. They
highlighted this issue
we have explained also all the problems for them.
okay so what are the government side what the government has shown the concern in this regard
They are simply showing their cables and telecasting in televisions, but they are not taking any actions.
okay
We are humbly requesting that India
Hmm.
should stand like all states.
okay one more thing I would like to say ask
And we are
Mr.
very congratulations to Jai Bharat Foundation, Mr. Gansham. You have to take action to develop this.
No, this is regarding to the social concern and we are doing our level best to educate our fellow beings in this regard and we would like to focus this issue to the Indian government. They should step forward and they have to think about this grave issue because it is indeed required in Karimnagar town because there is no graveyard for Hindu communities. As per my knowledge, this is only the one graveyard in Karimnagar, local Karimnagar.
Yeah.
What do you say Mr. Nutan?
Yes, you are saying right.
Okay,
We are saying daily. We are also informing them. We are also consulting them.
okay.
They are postponing all all the works.
Ever you met any of official or any employee of the municipal corporation regarding
Yes,
this? Mr.
Corporate Murli has he has helped a lot of us, but still some VIPs also more than him. They have to help us. They have to
Okay.
take actions.
What message you would like to give the government of India?
They should develop this. Whatever the people come here, some thousands of people comes daily here.
Okay.
What facilities they should want to provide here. We want to provide them.
As per your knowledge, who has to develop the graveyard?
As per my knowledge.
Yeah, the municipal corporation or the public, those who are living in the Karimnagar town.
Actually, municipality only care. Public they will not care because public only once they will come,
Okay.
then they will go.
Okay.
Just crescent months like.
But no concern from the municipal corporation authority.
Only municipality only municipal peoples will come yearly.
Yearly once.
After long time they will come.
Okay. What they do here when
They will not take that much action.
Okay. Just simply coming here
Public also should
Okay.
encourage about these facilities.
Okay.
They should take interest.
Okay. There is any wood stall here in graveyard?
No any wood stalls here. Just if rains will come,
Only the shelter is there.
under that chimneys only they will keep all woods.
Okay, how can they get the dry wood at the time of cremation in the rainy season? It is possible to get the dry wood here?
In rainy season we should not get, we can't get any dry woods, only wet woods only.
It's very problematic here.
It's problematic, very problematic.
Okay, so what are the precautionary steps?
Plenty of fuel should be wasted.
Okay. So what are the precautionary steps taken by the municipal corporation authority here in this regard, for the especially in rainy season?
In rainy season they are keeping some soils,
Okay.
keeping some soils, they are taking only some adjustments.
Okay.
But it is very waste.
Okay.
Actually it is waste to construct a cement road or any dambar road.
Okay.
They should construct a compound wall and gate securities.
Okay.
We should maintain like Hyderabad.
Okay. Recently, any developments made by the municipal corporation in the last 4 years?
No anything. From 4 years beginning, they won't will come here.
Okay. And regarding this existing graveyard, what kind of services you are extending here? What is your kind of job here?
No, that just like from outsiders only, just like social service, we have to just
Yeah, you are,
explain them formalities.
okay. You are just extending your helping hand as a volunteer.
Yes, consulting pujaris,
Okay. In this regard, he is Mr. What's
sales representations.
his good name?
He's Somraju.
Mr. Somaraju.
Yes, he's a old watchman here.
Okay.
He's appointed by Gorshiti Muninder.
Gaur Shetty Muninder, not by the municipal corporation.
No, any municipality.
So municipal corporation is not at all concerned to this matter here in graveyard.
Okay, we are also from public, from outside. I am also requesting government just to we should take care of him because he have become the senior here.
Okay.
We should develop him. Public also should take interest
Okay.
to provide something for him from government.
Okay. Thanks
He
for
is
you.
poor. He is poor.
Can I have your mobile number if you have one?
Yes,
Your please mobile number?
960
960
34 171 84.
84. Thanks for your concern and Jai Bharat.
Thank you to my world.
ఓకే నమస్కారం సోమరాజు గారు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పరిస్థితులను మీరు చాలా దగ్గర నుంచి చూశారు. మళ్ళీ మీరు ఏమైనా గవర్నమెంట్కి ఏమైనా చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారా?
ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటాక మాది ఈ ఊరు కాదు, ఇక్కడ ఓటక్కు లేదు, ఏమి లేదు. మేము వచ్చేది బతుకు దగ్గరికి వచ్చాము.
ఓకే.
అప్పుడులో ఇక్కడ వాచ్మెన్ మానేసిండు.
ఓకే.
మానేస్తే మునిందర్ షెట్టు, అబ్బాయి నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ఉంటున్నావు కదా, ఇదంతా చూసుకుంటూ ముందు వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చిందే నీకు ఇస్తాను అని నాకు ఆయన అంతకుముందు వాళ్ళకి ఎట్లా ఇచ్చాడో, నెలకి ఎంత ఇచ్చిండో నాకు అంత ఇస్తాడు.
మళ్ళీ మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్ మేము డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నాం, మేమే శాలరీస్ ఇస్తున్నాం, మనిషిని పెట్టామంటున్నారు. మున్సిపాలిటీ దగ్గర నుంచి
పెట్టలా,
ఏం పెట్టలేదా?
ఏం పెట్టలే, ఎవరిని పెట్టలా.
మీకు డబ్బులు మునిందర్ సెట్ ఇస్తున్నారు,
మునిందర్ షెట్టి,
మున్సిపాలిటీ ఏమి ఇవ్వట్లేదు.
ఏమి పెట్టలా.
సరే, ఇక్కడ ఈ రోడ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నది కదా, ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు మునిందర్ సెట్కి చెప్పారు ఇట్లా రోడ్ బాగలేదు? మళ్ళీ
బాగలేదంటే నా బాబు దాని గురించి మనం పట్టించుకోవద్దు. మనం స్నానం చేసే దాంట్లో నీళ్లు వస్తనే రావట్లేదా, కరెంటు మంచిగా నడుతుందా లేదా, మోటార్ నడుతుందా లేదా, ఇది ఒకటే చూసుకో. నువ్వు లోపల కూడా పోయి పనేం లేదు. ఎవరన్నా పిలిచి నేను పిలిచి 10-20 ఇస్తానని తీసుకెళ్తే ఎల్లు, ఎవరు పిలవందే మటుకు నువ్వు పోవద్దు, దానికి నీకు సంబంధం లేదు, ఇవి ఒక్కటే నువ్వు చూసుకో అని నాకు చెప్పింది.
మీకు చెప్పారు. మళ్ళీ ఇది మొన్న బండ కప్పారు కదా, దాని గురించి మీరు ఏమనలేదా వాళ్ళకు?
వాళ్ళు ఆ రోజు నేను లేను, ఆ రోజు వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎవరంటే వీళ్ళ బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి కప్పిండ్రు అని తెలిసింది, అంతేగా వాళ్ళు ఉండగా నేను లేను.
సరే, ధన్యవాదాలు సోమరాజు గారు, చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు మేము ఇంత స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చినందుకు.